and at the down side you can see the bar installing the system. So this bar will be progress as the time grows. It will take around 45 to 50 minutes to get this system installed on your machine. So as of now we do not have this time, so we just have install our system. So by clicking so once you get the system installed, you will see such kind of screens on your machine. It will again show the option called retrieving files. So this option what do is that it will retrieve files from your main file. The next option that will be available will be the downloading language packages, and on the right hand side the remaining time will be shown like 0.50 remaining. It means that within the 15 seconds the installation will be complete, and the above screen will be changed automatically, so we are not care about that. Here is the last step of the installation. When you see such kind of dialog box, it means that your installation is complete. You have successfully installed the system within your machine, and it will show you that the message installation has finished. You can continue testing Ubuntu now, but until you restart the computer, any changes you make or documents you will save will not be preserved. This means that if you make any changes to any folders or if you create any kind of documents, those documents or those changes won't be persistent if you do not restart the system. So better before using the system you restart it. So we will click on the restart now, and the system will be restarted. After the system will be restarted, you will be diverted towards the operating system. In this I have already logged in to my operating system that is named as Neil Patel. As on the right hand side of the bar you can see a logo of the man is there and the name shown as Neil Patel. I am currently logged in as Neil Patel within my system on my machine. Your name will be displayed here that we given like Susan Brown Miller. So this will appear here. On the left hand side you can see one vertical bar there where the different kind of logos are available. These logos are used to access different options. The first logo, that is a circular logo, is of dash home. It is basically a Microsoft Office search option. You can just click on the desk home, write on any kind of name that you want to access, and you will be given the search options. The second option is the Ubuntu My Documents. This is same as the Microsoft computer. You will be able to access all the documents that are available and the drives which are installed within your system. The third logo is of web browser called Mozilla Firefox, for which we talked about in last session. The fourth logo is of LibreOffice Writer. This is same as the Microsoft WordPad. The fourth is of LibreOffice Calc, same as the Microsoft Excel. The fourth is the LibreOffice Impress, same as the Microsoft PowerPoint. The next option is shown as a bag, which is used to download the software and tools from the online which are supported by the Ubuntu operating system. If you click on that, you will diverted to the next page, and you will see so many tools and packages and applications available. You can just click any of them and download them for free of cost. And the last option is shown as the settings. As you can see, the option of tools, so you can make any changes of the settings. So this is how the installation process goes. if you need any kind of help regarding this installation or you have any kind of doubt, you can just ask us. Me and my colleague Tadra Shah are working on this project. You can just note down our email IDs. These are neil.pa25@gmail.com. This is my email ID. For any query regarding the installation or anything else, you can write me on this. And my colleague is tadrash-106@yahoo.co.in. So we both will be happy to help you regarding the installation process, or you want to learn anything other. Now we'll look back the screen. We'll go for the Ubuntu site. In the Ubuntu site, I will show you how to explore this Ubuntu site and how to get other features. So first, this is the home page. Okay, we will scroll down. On the left hand side, you can see the Ubuntu, and at the bottom of that, the features are available. So we will look at the features of the Ubuntu. So click on the features. Spoken tutorial to बोलिए. So here on the features page, the different features are available that are shown why one should use the Ubuntu. So as we drag down, we will see the screenshots of the Ubuntu operating system as mentioned under the heading of a fresh look. So this kind of environment you will be using. The second feature that is provided by the Ubuntu is the secure. The most important thing about the Linux and the Ubuntu operating system is that these operating systems are virus free. No viruses are developed to attack these systems. That is why as of now these operating systems are completely virus free. You do not have to buy any kind of packages or tools like Quickil or anything to get your system virus protected. So this is the benefit, where you do not have to purchase the antivirus license products. So you can opt for the Ubuntu. The second feature is that it is compatible with your products like the camera, iPod, printer. So this also will be an ease of the use, that you can directly just plug in these devices within your systems and Ubuntu will handle all the drivers, so that you do not have to install the drivers. The main feature of the Ubuntu is that it is fast. As written on the right side, that Ubuntu loads quickly on any computer, but it is the super fast on the newer machines. Newer machines like having the hardware of the Intel series of the i3 processor and i7 processor. So this operating system will run very fast on those machines. Still, on the older versions of machines like the Celeron processor and the dual core processors, it runs the fast better than any other operating systems. The other feature shown as the accessible. As I mentioned earlier, that if you click on the bar, you will be given one text area where you can just click on that and search for any of the option. Now we will just scroll it down. On the right hand side, you will see that Get Ubuntu. There are different logos available. Try it online. You can just click on that and you can have a look how the Ubuntu will appear, or you can just try it online. Try it on a CD or USB stick. This will give you the download source as we shown before, and you have to write that ISO file within your CD or DVD drive, or you can just put that on the USB stick and you can just boot your system from USB device also. The third option that is shown is run it alongside the Windows. So this is the option that is shown as the Run it alongside the Windows. So So this option is same as the dual boot. You can use both the Windows 7 operating system and the Ubuntu system simultaneously. And the last option that we explored was the download and install, so we can directly get the files from here. Now one other thing that we will look at, why to use Ubuntu. The main good thing about the Ubuntu is that everybody can use it. It has something for each and everybody. Different kind of packages, different kind of tools that are supported by the Ubuntu operating system, and they are completely free of cost. Now under this section, why to use Ubuntu, the different features of the Ubuntu are marked. We will see that Ubuntu is very easy to use as we show you. The second thing is that it is easy to trial and install, so you can just try once. If you are not comfortable with it, you can switch back to your previous operating system. The main thing is that the look and feel is very much attractive. It allures all of the users, as you can see on the right hand side as the snapshot is provided. This is how the Ubuntu is installed. One other feature of Ubuntu is that you can directly configure your mails within the operating system. On the right hand side of the screen, once your system is installed, you will get a logo of a message. You can just click on that and set up your any of the email account by just writing your email ID and the password of that account. This will work for you as a push mail service that we use in our mobile or any other devices. So at any time, if anyone just mail you, it will show as a notification within your screen, so you can directly have access to those mails, and you do not have to just keep on checking whether I got a mail or not. It will show a notification to you. So this is also one new feature that Ubuntu has provided, that is called the push mail services. And as we told that it is free and open source, so to use the open source is the most benefit, as we do not have to purchase the licensed software, because the operating system of the Microsoft and others cost around 9,000 rupees per license copy. So, and this is for free and virus free, so it is better that we use the Ubuntu operating system. Now we will look at the spoken tutorial site. That is our project from the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, and that is headed by the Professor Kanan Mudgalia. The name of the site is www.spoken-tutorial.org/new. So this is our official site of the spoken tutorial, a talk to teacher and MHRD initiative. Here you can also find the tutorials for the Ubuntu Linux and all other FOSS. As you can see the drop down box named as select FOSS category, there are multiple options available, and like Drupal, Linux, Linux Ubuntu, NetBeans, Python, etc. As our cursor is clicked on the Linux Ubuntu, so we will go for Linux Ubuntu. After selecting the Linux Ubuntu, we can select the language. These tutorials are developed in several different languages. You can just click on any of the language that you are comfortable with. As of now, we will select the language as English. Then we will click on the green button called Locate Tutorial. Once you click on this button, the different options will be available based on the tutorial uploaded on the site. As of now, we are having the 3 tutorials available in the English language. The first is Linux Ubuntu. Tutorial level is of class 2, and the tutorial name is Ubuntu Desktop. That is about how to install and how to use the Ubuntu on your desktop system. You can just click on the view. it will direct you towards the video. This is the video tutorial, so you can just simultaneously run this video and learn how to install or use the Ubuntu desktop. We'll just go back. The second option is that Synaptic Package Manager. So as of now we are not considering it because Synaptic will be a new topic for you. And the third will be the Ubuntu Software Center. As I told you that once you logged in your Ubuntu system, you can download the softwares from the Ubuntu Software Centers. Some of the softwares do cost a few dollars, but most of the softwares are free of cost that we are supposed to use. And we will show you the different softwares that are completely free of cost and how to use it in the next session. So this is the spoken tutorial site. Now under this initiative of the spoken tutorial, we are supposed to conduct the introductory lecture at each and every institute in the India. To conduct these lectures, what you have to do, you just have to mention your school name, your profession, in which standard you are studying, and you just have to write the mail to the spoken tutorial team. You can write the mail to us also if you are in the Gujarat section. We will call you back for the Gujarat section and ask you to conduct one introductory lecture in which we will show you how to conduct the lectures. We will provide you the kits for these different FOSS softwares and the tools and other packages for completely free of cost. We will be giving you the CD or the source for free of cost. So all the packages will be available. In the very first lecture, if it is possible, we will conduct the lecture. We will guide the teachers and the students who will take the initiative to take the lectures in their representative institutions. We will teach you how to conduct this lecture. To conduct these lectures, you just have to select the topic of any of the FOSS. First, it is better that you put an introductory lecture so that everyone should come to know that what is the open source software